So first one is not a new one, but I really want to bring this one to the spotlight because
Bring it to the spotlight.
yeah, because it's a bit underrated.
Underrated.
Yes. This is
Sounds a bit like me. What is it? What am I looking at?
it's a
Amplified.
Amplified Luji Maru. So as I
Here.
yeah, the Ryujinmaru.
Ryujinmaru.
Yeah. As you know, the amplified production line is like they're redesigning based on the original designs, right?
They're redesigning.
Yeah, so they're doing some tweaks on the ratio for the
What? They're changing the scale.
yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah, because the original mechanical design is more like an SD Gundam.
Hmm.
Yeah, very cute, chibi, more like a like a child thing.
Is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
But
But
the original anime.
yeah, if you look here,
Yeah.
this one.
Oh, that's what he looks like in the anime.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see if I can get the camera to work nicely at that sort of depth.
Yeah, it's like a
This fellow here.
yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
He does look like an SD Gundam, doesn't he?
It's
Not that I'm a professional, but he looks very like short and
yeah,
wide.
yeah, because it's like a clay created by the.
He looks nothing like this fellow. Hey,
Yeah,
whoa!
it's a
Hey?
big yeah. It's
Look at that. It's like a little panda cub,
yeah.
and then look, boom!
Boom.
He's
Yeah.
like a bloody athlete.
Yeah.
Completely different Gundam, but that's good. So they're remodeling, rescaling,
Yeah.
and so what frame is it? HG.
HG. So
Fantastic.
yeah, but it's still bigger than the normal HG Gundams.
Mm.
The size would be more closer to the MGs. So it's like a 20 centimeters ish model after you assemble everything up. Yeah. And I would say it has a very good quality on the parts this time.
A very good quality on the parts.
Yeah, for the colors. I mean, in the colors.
And the color palette.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my favorite thing of Gundam lately. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
The colors are just, I don't know.
I know, Brett,
They're like textural. They're like colors that you can feel with your eyes. I can't explain.
I know, Brett, you like the gold colors in Gunpla, right?
I do love the gold colors.
Yeah, they do a lot of different types of gold colors in the Plus, right?
So this one is not actually plastic sprue. This is not colored sprue.
Yeah.
This is painted sprue.
Yes.
So it almost looks like a wash. You can see here that it's like almost like panel line.
Yeah.
Right? When spots where they've actually missed it deliberately.
And some shadings on there.
And it's got shading to make it more textural. Like almost like panel wash, right?
Yeah.
You can see here the inconsistency in the paint finish.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So it's just a basic color sprue, whatever it is.
Then
they've gone to the trouble of painting it by dipping it or whatever to get this effect.
Yeah.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, and it's very unique to see the matte gold in the Gunpla.
Matte gold.
Yeah, matte gold. Yeah, it's very special one.
It's a big sword.
Yeah, it's a weapon. And because of the prey spray one, they designed all the gates on the invisible positions. So you won't see that.
So it's undergated.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And
that was one of my first words I learned in modeling.
Oh, really?
It's undergated, which means that it's got hidden.
Oh, that's the word.
The hidden injection, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna remember that too.
Undergated.
Yeah, and even for these colorful parts, they use the gloss interjection technique.
Yes.
So when you look under the light, you will see the highlights very clearly on the edge.
Well, it looks like it's been clear coated.
I know.
It's so shiny.
Yeah, I really like the texture for this kit.
I can see the reflection here, even through the packet. Have a look at that. That's amazing.
Yeah, and it also comes with the 3D stickers.
And the 3D stickers, which is new.
For the jewelries.
And this is for his belt.
Yeah.
He's got a belt that you showed me before. Fantastic. Is there any other features in this kit?
That's most of the highlights of this kit. Yeah. Just gives you guys information we have this in stock. So yeah, don't miss out this one.
Well, that's why you hid them. You're actually gone to the point of hiding Gundam so
Yeah.
people don't come in
Yeah.
and buy them. Otherwise, you have nothing for photos and nothing to show people.
I know, because they have the same gold quality as Gundams.
Because
Yeah.
in your community, you put a thing out on the chat group and that's it.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, there's hundreds of Gundam fans here
Mhm.
tearing the place apart.
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? You said it was here, Kawa. And what else have you got for us?
I'm gonna leave the newest one at the last one. So
Another one? The newest one to the last one. Okay. What's
So-
this one then?
if you build the real grade Gundams, and if you don't have the Gundam Mark II, don't say you build any real grades.
Really?
Yes.
So you can't build a real grade without building this one.
Yeah. The Gundam Mark II.
The Gundam Mark II.
Yes.
Is this a classic kit, is it?
One of, I would say, if there is any design can beat the RX-78-2, the Mark II would be the one.
And they don't refer to him. Oh yeah, RX-178.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the...
Is he a goodie or a baddie? I can't tell. He looks like a goodie, but he sort of looks a bit mean.
Oh yeah, because this unit was in a bad at the bad side at some point.
And they repainted him.
Yes, yeah, that's
And then
why.
they become like, see, I picked it. You can tell. Well, that's how they make it almost like human, right?
Yeah,
Jeez.
yeah.
I can barely read facial features, yet I can read them on a Gundam. That's scary. That's very scary. Oh my lord, that's next level. I think I better tell the doctor about this.
Yeah, and this kit was pretty old actually, but it's a classic one, I would say.
And is it old frame or a new frame?
It's an old frame.
It's an old frame,
but it's a very, I would say, special old frame, because they added like a special component in there, which is a nylon strip.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one.
It's like a worm.
Yeah.
So it's got a handle, something that flies off, right?
Yeah,
or
yeah.
A weapon.
So it's like kind of in
give it movement.
Yeah, it gives you a very strong, like, texture comparison between the plastic and the nylon. Yeah.
And it looks like a really nice build. Like, not too difficult.
Yeah, and I would say the assembling process is more like you're really building a Gundam rather than a model.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can feel the difference between these two words, but yeah, it's gonna give you a very realistic feeling on during the building. Yeah.
During the building process, the building is very traditional Gundam.
Yes, yeah? Yes.
So if you haven't built an RG unless you've built a Mark II.
Yes.
Wide words from Kawa. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Must have. And I hide this kit behind the counter.
Well, maybe I need to get one.
Because...
Maybe not this weekend. Maybe next time. Lots and lots.
Yeah.
Because I've never built an RG. It's probably a good way to start.
Yeah, why not?
And it can go in the action base too, of course.
Yeah,
it does some great poses. Definitely.
And yeah, I hide this behind the counter because it's gonna be so too fast if I not.
And wouldn't even make it to the show in 2 hours.
Yeah, I'm
very good.
Yeah, I promise.
Very good.